Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build a content calendar in Notion step by step. First, create a new page in Notion or enter an existing one where you want your content calendar to live. Once you are inside the page, press the / on your keyboard. This opens the command menu. Now type database, and from the list select inline database. This will insert a database directly into your page. You will now see a simple table. The first column is usually the name property. You can keep it as name or rename it to something like content title. This is where you will write the name of each post or video. Next, add the needed properties. Click the plus sign at the top right of the table to add a new property. Create a status property and choose the select type. Add options like idea, in progress, and published. After that, add a date property. This will be used as your published date. You can also add other properties if you want, such as platform or tags, depending on your workflow. When you are done adding the properties, you need to change the view to calendar. To do that, click on the settings icon of that database. Then select layout and choose calendar from the list. Once you select calendar, your database will switch from table view to calendar view. Now your calendar is ready with the properties you added inside it. You can click on any date to create new content entries and manage your schedule easily. Thanks for watching.